Welcome, welcome to No GTM Required, Facebook and Google Ads tracking with Tracklutions. At Measure U, I get the chance to speak to many agency owners, specifically a lot of times ad agency owners, and I hear the same thing from them a lot. They have to pay what they like to call the tracking tax, meaning that in addition to doing all the work to getting ad strategy created, creatives, copy, all that good stuff, they have to also set up tracking. And tracking is a very important part of running ads. Trust me, I'm the tracking person for many organizations that run ads, including Measure U's. Here's the thing. If you're an agency owner or a one-person agency running ads for multiple clients, setting up GTM, getting the pixels in place, making sure they're firing can be a lot of work. This is where Tracklutions can help. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have Facebook and Google Ads tracking set up using Tracklutions in minutes. I am kidding you not. You won't need to go into GTM. You won't need to write any code. You're simply going to enter some IDs and you're good to go. So dive in with me. Let's go in and let's set up Tracklutions and have our Facebook and Google Ads tracking done in under 10 minutes. Alrighty, so I want to take a minute to visit Tracklution's website. So this is Tracklutions. They make tracking your competitive edge, and especially if you're an agency owner, if you're a one-person agency, this is a solution you definitely want to consider. I am going to have the link for Tracklution's website in the description, so if you watch this video, find it useful, head on over to their site. I recommend starting with their audit. I have a video on their audit also linked below, which I recorded last month, that you should definitely watch, as that can make it great for you to know what tracking your clients have on their site. Now, Tracklutions in the platform, I'm going to hop into the platform. It looks like this when you log in. Now, for every client, you can have all the containers right here. So meaning that you're not logging into 5 or 6 different platforms or having 5 or 6 different logins. You simply log in to your hub and then you'll have all your clients' containers here. So as you can see, I have the Profit School container here, and I can easily see this is the site, this is the day it was created, this is the company. I can even see the connectors. And what they mean by connectors is these are connectors they have with the ad platforms or with the systems. So if I was to hop into here, I'm just going to take a minute and hop in. This is a container that is configured. You can see I have a connector configured for Meta, meaning I'm sending my data to Meta ads, Facebook ads. I'm sending my data to Google ads, to GA4, and I can also add something called this transform connector, where I can connect any other property where I can send a data to via webhook. They also have a number of other connectors, all the way from Microsoft, LinkedIn, to TikTok, Pinterest, and even our friend ChatGPT. So I have to say they have a variety of connectors running. Once you have it all configured, you will easily get a graph of your data. Our site doesn't get traffic all the time, but it does get a little bit of traffic. And for every single hit, you'll be able to click on here. I'm just going to click on there. You'll be able to see the details of the hit, so what the event was, and then you'll be able to see the exact pixel that was fired, the data that was sent, if it was sent, what it was sent as, and the exact call. So if you want to get detailed, you can totally dive in here. Now, if you're confused at any step of the way, I have to say they have one feature I love totally, and oh my God, it is so helpful, is Trackie. And Trackie is a she. They advised me that. So I could come in here and ask Trackie a question like, hey, is my Meta ads tracking set up? And Trackie can actually look at my setup. It looks at what data it's receiving. And Trackie, she'll be able to help me. She'll be able to guide me through it. She can give me steps. And I will say, there's a lot of times where I plan to go ask them a question directly because we have access to their team in Slack. And you know what? 9 times out of 10, Trackie has been able to unblock me. So as an agency owner, you're sitting there 9 o'clock at night trying to get your clients tracking set up. I have been there with you. I feel you because I have been there. Trackie can help you at that time. So you're not waiting for support to get back to you or someone to answer that email or waiting for a friend to wake up the next morning. So as you can see, Trackie has given me a detailed answer. Yep, it's running, but only partially looks complete. She's given me some, I don't have any bottom of funnel events, which I agree with. I haven't set a purchase yet because we don't have a purchase on this website. So there you have it. That's how a finished container looks. But I want to show you how we bake the cake because this is a cake fully made. So let's do this together. I'm going to start my timer now. We're going to try to have Facebook and Google Ads tracking set up in a new container in under 10 minutes. Let's go. Alrighty, so here we go. We are going to set up our tracking. So we're going to start by clicking on new tracking container in the top right-hand corner of Tracklution's dashboard. Then we're going to enter our website and we are going to hit start and we're going to have it perform some magic for us. What it's doing is looking at installation options on our site. Now, in this case of Measure Summit, we have 4 installation options. We don't have the option to use the WooCommerce or the Shopify plugin, as Measure Summit is not a WooCommerce or Shopify site. But if I was to duplicate this for a hot second, go back to Tracklution, going to click on there, go back into Profit School, hop over to installation, I will see that Profit School, as it is a WooCommerce WordPress site, has the option for a WooCommerce plugin, which means we just download the plugin, install it, enter 2 pieces of information, and we're good to go. It is important to know that Tracklution offers an app to install on Shopify and a plugin to install on WordPress. This makes it super easy for you to use it with WordPress and with Shopify. That's it. In our case, we would have to go with one of these 4 options. I would do the standard install, grab this code here. Honestly, it's just a one-time ask from Jeff. Jeff and I would just implement this code quickly. No different than working with your client. And then we're ready to hit next, hit complete, and set up our container, which we're going to do next. So when you come into the container, this is how it's going to look. Nothing is set up. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. And just so I have another window open, and I'm going to go back to dashboard, I'm going to open Profit School because to show you the difference between the two. So as you see in the Profit School one, you have Meta and Google Ads like this. You can see it's set up like Pixel and API, right? This one doesn't. So what I would do then is, let's say I want to set up Meta ads. We all want to do that, especially if we're running ads. I'm going to go add. It's just going to pop this screen. Now, we don't need to set up a tag or anything like that, guys. We simply need to give it 2 pieces of information. Information piece number 1, you're going to come into Events Manager, you're going to come here, you're going to grab your pixel. So I'm just going to grab this pixel, and I'm just doing Command-C, Control-C, whatever, operating system you're using, pop it in. Okay, then you need an access token. Now, I know I'm going to show you all my access token, right? That's life. Don't worry, I'll rotate it after this call. So you're going to come into Events Manager, you're going to come here, you're going to scroll down under Settings, you're going to scroll, until you get to here, and it's going to actually have, if I refresh this, it might actually say it, just because I was playing with this earlier, okay, so I'm going to come here, I'm going to Settings, I'm going to scroll, perfect. See Setup Direct Integration, you're going to keep it on that, you're going to go Generate Access Token. It's going to say which data set, I'm going to say, yep, Generate Access Token. It's going to show me an access token. In the next 5 minutes, if for some reason somebody uses it, I'd be surprised because I'm recording this a day early, but this is my access token. My advice, don't share this with anybody. If your client generates this for you, have them share it in LastPass with you or 1Password, any of those, password protected things. Try not passing this in Slack, just personal experience there. Pop it in here. Then you would set it to live like this. I'm not going to do that. And then you're going to go create. And that's it. That is your CAPI tracking done, right? Can you believe how quick that is? That's it. You don't need to set up tag, no triggers, no CAPI, no QAing. It's all done, okay? I'm going to go back now. I'm going to do Google Ads. So when I come into Google Ads, just going to click on Add here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to put in your Google Ads custom ID. I'm going to put in, and where do you get that? You come in here and see this. You're just going to put in this ID here. And you're going to come in here and you're going to go Send Permission Request. And then it's going to say, hey, I need you to grant permission. So let's go into Google Ads. Let's go into admin. Let's go into access. And it already has access, so I'm not sure if it's going to come through again. Let's just check. It may not because I've already given it access. Let's go check. And then I'm going to say I've granted access, and that's it, right? And then if you want to create a conversion, it's not like you have to go in here and go into goals and do all of it here, which is great for you agency owners because now all you need to do is click on this button here. So for example, I'm going to do this in Profit School. I'm going to come into my Google Ads and I'm going to click on Edit. And then I'm going to come into here and you see any one of these. I simply have to, click on, Start Trial, create a conversion, primary, submit. It goes ahead and creates the conversion. So you see the conversion name is Tracklution Start Trial. So then if you come into here and you go into conversion actions, I'll show you my one for purchase. It can take a little time to show up in here, but it should show up in here soon. So if I was to click on here, you can see I have Tracklution's purchase 2026. You can see I set that up on the 16th, right? If you come in here and I can see, I think I set up a submit a form lead. See this one right here. So you can see I set these up on the 16th. These will automatically get created and data will be sent here as it has the right parameters. So coming back into the Profit School one, going into dashboard, I'm going to hop in here. you can see I have the Google Ads and Meta. And that's really all you have to do. That's how quick it is to have Meta and Google Ads tracking. Now, if you get blocked at any point of the view, you can just come in here and ask Trackie. So you could ask Trackie, hey, how do I get my Meta Ads, access token? Or where can I find my Google client account number? I think that was what it was called. Let's see what it says. I'm giving it the wrong name. Let's see how it does, right? I always like to test AI tools to be like, let me give you something a little bit off and see how you respond, right? It's always interesting how they respond. You can find your Google, log into Google, top right corner, 10 digits. See how quick it is? So instead of sitting there at 10 o'clock at night confused or emailing support, waiting for support, which Tracklution is really quick to respond. Trust me, we have them in Slack. They would respond. I personally find using Trackie is great because Trackie can see my screen. So she, and she is a she, can easily come in here and see my screen. And then as data flows, you can come in here, you can see 2 events. For each event, I can go into details. I can see what was sent to Facebook, see what was sent, see the ID it was sent to, right? I can go into details here. It was a page view, it was a view content view was sent. I can see the details to GA4. That is it. That is how quick tracking is to set up. And you always have Trackie. She's always in your right pocket helping you out. So there you have it. That is how Tracklution can make it simple for agency owners running ads to set up Meta and Google Ads tracking. And as I mentioned earlier, if you are an agency, the other benefit is you will see all your client containers here. So I could have one for Profit School, one for Measure Summit, one for Measure You, one for even other clients who are not part of our domain. So if we took on ads for another client, we would just simply set them up here. We could log in and see it here. If you are an agency owner, you are running ads for clients, I highly recommend taking a look at Tracklution. They make setting up tracking super easy for Meta and Google Ads. And if it's easy for Meta and Google Ads, LinkedIn and Bing is just another connector in there.